Yo, what's up guys? Good morning. Maulan ngayong umaga. Kung papasok kayo sa trabaho, ingat kayo. At kung pauwi naman, ingat pa rin kayo. At katatapos ko lang ito cardio workout, shadow boxing, jogging dito sa bahay namin kahit maliit lang. And now, ito, meron akong weights. Minimal weights lang siya pero we make it explosive. Sasamahin natin yung body weight exercise at weight exercise. Okay guys, start tayo. Itong unang exercise na gagawin ko is, tawag dito is squat exercise with Arnold press. Tataas mo pares yung dalawang kamay mo na may hawak ng dumbbell. Each exercises guys, you can do 5 to 8 reps with 2 to 3 sets. Ayun guys. Okay guys, next exercise naman, ang tawag dito is renegade row. Combination siya ng push-up tsaka dumbbell row. Ayan. You can do that 2 to 3 repetitions, 5 to 8 repetitions with 1 to 2 sets or 2 to 3 sets. Okay guys, third exercise naman natin, ang tawag dito is lunges with dumbbells. Okay guys, pang fourth exercise naman, ang tawag dito ay single arm dumbbell snatch. Each single arm, you can do 5 to 8 reps with 2 to 3 sets. Ayun guys, each arm yon. Lastly guys, ito na, ang tawag naman sa exercise na to is goblet squat. Ayan. Using 2 dumbbells guys, pwede ka na makapag-explosive workout. Talagang pagpapawisan ka. Body weight exercise and weight exercise. Combination na yon, di ba?